Dear Lord, oh Lord. Yeah. I'm rebellious and fearless, I laugh at failure. Dear Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. I'm a prophet, a legend, I'm not begging. I'd rather die for my freedom than live like a peasant. Depressions, recessions, the past and the present. From slavery to segregation, I still ride with my brethren. Take these shackles up off me, I'm street but I'm godly. Know these white folks fear me, but nothing can stop me. I was destined to be this, so nothing amazement. My best attribute is bravery. They think that I'm crazy. Yeah, it's Gucci, and if you're with me, then let's get to walking. Cause I'm sick or tired of everyone doing nothing but talking. Dear Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Dear Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. No, you ain't take me this far just to leave me here. Dear Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Dear Lord, oh Lord, I know that life's unfair, but who gon' take care of the family if I'm not there? Dear Lord, oh Lord,
I gotta feed the family, but I had to leave the family. I cut off CMB, I'm an amputee, but I never leave Christianity. Might have to plead insanity. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I'ma pray for you niggas to celebrate. Lord, I know these streets contaminate, but Lord, I can't get beat like anime. Lord, I gotta think about Renee and the tune and the nil and the camera. Lord, I gotta think like I'm Hemingway. Make a way when shit in the way anyway. Lord, I gotta create and innovate. Or else it's back to the interstate. Willing my fortunes, willing to kill you just for my fortunes. I can recall we were chilling on porches, living with roaches, dealing with whole shit, selling too low shit. Now we in motion, everyday kosher. God bless the Nola, God bless Angola. Rest in peace, soldier, and all of the soldiers. The war isn't over. Call on Jehovah.
Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Dear Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. No, you ain't take me this far just to leave me here. Dear Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Lord, oh Lord, please hear my prayer. Dear Lord, oh Lord, I know that life's unfair.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you.
But who gon' take care of the family if I'm not there? Dear Lord, oh Lord. Dear Lord, oh Lord. Dear Lord, oh Lord.
I gotta feed the family.
Dear Lord, oh Lord.
Vision is a vision, I believe that mine's is bigger. I live my life designing and filming and taking pictures. The prices are affordable, I can give you a snippet. Just hit up Domprints, for sure we gon' do some business. My vision's kinda different, I'm beating the competition. I'm flawless with my Canon, I film you with my precision. I wake up and I'm vamping, I gotta get on this mission. It's Domprints Media with the people been missing.